Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my Dollar Tree haul. You guys know I absolutely love Dollar Tree. I love shopping on a budget, and I have some good goodies that I want to share with you guys today because they are amazing. Absolutely love every single thing that I picked up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so I want to share the first thing that I absolutely love, which are these plates right here. I got 4 of them. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love all the little detail, and I love the saying grateful. Absolutely love these plates. I'm telling you guys, if you guys see them, snag them because they are so beautiful. So I cannot wait to place them on my dining room table. I will show you guys a little clip of how my dining room table looks, and I will show you guys with these plates because they look beautiful. I absolutely so next we're gonna jump into the other bag that I have here. So I only got 2 bags, but I did get a lot of goodies, so I wanted to share them with you guys. So I got a lot of bouquets of flower. So I have some of these like this, and then I also have some orange ones that I thought were super cute. I am planning to do a DIY soon that I saw on TikTok, and I was like, oh my god, I have to recreate that TikTok because it's just so beautiful, and I have like all the materials for it. So I'm definitely gonna create it. So the next thing I got were these pumpkins right here. They are so cute, and I got 3 of these pumpkins just because I need them for the DIY. So I can't wait to do that. And then I also got one of these what are they called, floral foams. So I definitely needed one of these because it requires one of these. So I went ahead and picked this up. And then I also got another color of pumpkins. So I have the gold one, and then I have an orange one. I'm telling you guys, wait till you guys see what I'm planning to do because it's so pretty. And then I also found some coasters that have, you know, the Thanksgiving fall decor on it. So I absolutely love these. And then I also went and picked up this crafter square so my daughter can paint and create art because she loves art. So I went ahead and picked this up for her so she can draw and paint or do whatever she wants. And then the last 2 things that I picked up were these right here. I have the e.l.f. stipple brush. It looks like this, only $1, you guys. Took advantage. And then I also found Flower Beauty. So Dollar Tree is bringing Flower Beauty to all the Dollar Trees. So I found this. This is a cream blush. Guys, when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I have to try this. It doesn't want to focus. Great. Let's see if it has, there you go. That color right there is so pretty. And this one is a cream blush, and what color is this? Winsome Rouge Some, I guess that's the name of it. Super cute. So I cannot wait to try this out and see how good it is. So I will let you guys know down below how that is. And I'm at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my craft. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed my DIY if you create it, because I'm also going to link the person that I took the idea from. I will leave them link down below also. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the craft, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and let me know what you guys have found at Dollar Tree because I absolutely love Dollar Tree. So yeah, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye my loves.